Hey guys, welcome back to another quick 1-minute tutorial. In today's guide, I'm going to be showing you how to unkink a kinked cable. Anytime you buy a new cable, they usually come, zip tied or rubber banded, and no matter how hard you pull these things, they just kind of stay kitty wampus. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, first thing you want to do, boil some water. Alright, now that the water's boiling, we're going to carefully pull it into a bowl. Now we're going to take our charging cable, grab both ends. You don't want to submerge those, you just want to submerge the kinky section. We're going to place that in the bowl. Don't use your finger, use a spoon or something and hold it for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Now it's amazing, as you put this in there, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but you can slowly see the kinks coming out and the cable loosening. Okay, and then after 30 to 45 seconds, grab yourself a paper towel, pull out the cable, and we're gonna pull it and dry it. All right, and the finished result, a straight cable with no kinks. Hope you found this video informative. Please hit that like button if you did.